In this lecture, study chapter Kinetic Theory of Gases and Radiation. Point: pressure of ideal gas. This figure. These are a cubical container. In this cubical container, the n mole of an ideal gas enclosed. Let L be the length of cubical container. Then volume of cube or cubical container is V is equal to L cube, and area of this cubical container A is equal to L square. The gas molecules are continuously moving randomly in the container in various directions and collision with each other. Let Vx, Vy and Vz are the velocities of molecules along the direction of x, y and z axis respectively. M is the mass of molecules. Then initial momentum of molecules along the x-axis is mvx, and final momentum is minus mvx. Means this molecule is moving along in the x directions and collide with the shaded wall and returns to its original position. The total distance is covered by the molecule is also 2 ml. At that time, the initial momentum and final momentum's value is mentioned. Then change in momentum is equal to minus mvx minus mvx, means final momentum minus initial momentum, and therefore total change in momentum is minus 2 mvx. Then these molecules collide with the shaded wall and return to its mean position. The total time is delta t is equal to distance upon velocity of the molecules, and therefore 2L upon Vx. The average force exerted on a shaded wall by the molecule is given by average force is equal to average rate of change of momentum, and therefore average force is equal to mvx1 square upon L, means first molecules. Vx1 is the velocity of x component along the one molecules. Then molecules second, third, fourth, etc. with respect to the x component of the velocities Vx2, Vx3, Vx4 dash dash dash. The total average force on the wall is given by total average force is equal to m upon L in bracket Vx1 square plus Vx2 square plus dash dash dash. Then at that time the average pressure is equal to average force upon area of a shaded wall, and therefore average pressure is equal to m in bracket Vx1 square plus Vx2 square plus dash 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 upon L into L square. Then average of the square of the x component of the velocities is given by V bar x square Vx square is equal to Vx1 square plus Vx2 square plus dash 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 Vn square upon N. Therefore, the pressure P is equal to mn Vx bar square upon capital V means volume. The Vx bar square is the average overall possible values of Vx, and therefore V bar square is equal to Vx bar square plus Vy bar square plus Vz bar square, and therefore Vx bar square is equal to Vy bar square is equal to Vz bar square is equal to 1 upon 3 V bar square, and therefore the average pressure P is equal to 1 upon 3 into N upon V means volume into V bar square. These are the pressure of ideal gas equation. The next point, root mean square means RMS speed. The mean square speed of a molecule of a gas is V bar square means velocity square is equal to 3 PV upon N into M. These are the equation number 1. But ideal gas equations, PV is equal to nRT. These are equation number 2. Then these equation 2 values also substitute in 1. Therefore, V bar square is equal to 3 nRT upon N into M. But number of mole is equal to mass of a gas upon molar mass, and therefore N is equal to N upon Ne. Then these values also substituting in the N. Then V bar square is equal to 3 nRT upon Na into N into M. Then these N get cancelled, and therefore Vrms means root mean square speed is equal to square root of V bar square is equal to square root of 3 RT upon Na into M, and therefore Vrms is equal to square root of 3 RT upon Mo, where Mo is Na into M. This equal to molar mass of a gas, and this equation is called a root mean square speed. Then next point, interpretation of temperature in kinetic theory. By using the equation of pressure of a gas, PV is equal to 1 upon 3 N M V bar square. In this equation modified, 2 upon 3 into N into 1 half M V bar square. Then this bracket term is called as a translational kinetic energy, and therefore translational kinetic energy is equal to 1 half M V bar square. Then the internal energy of an ideal gas is purely kinetic. Then average total kinetic energy is given by E is equal to N into 1 half M V bar square. These are the equation number 2. Then from equation 1 and 2, this equation 1 and this 2. Therefore, the PV is equal to PV is equal to 2 upon 3 into E. This 2 upon 3 into E. This value N 1 half M V square values are substituted by the capital, and therefore PV is equal to NKBT is the another form of a ideal gas equation, and this equal to 2 upon 3 into E, and therefore E is equal to 3 upon 2 N KB into T. This KB is also called as a Boltzmann constant, and therefore this N is also divided by E, and therefore E upon N is equal to 3 upon 2 KB into T. This 3 upon 2 and Kb are constant, and therefore E upon N is proportional to T. It means that the average energy per molecule is proportional to absolute temperature in bracket capital T of the gas.